Hi, Pipper.
Hi, how are you? Is it Pipper or Piper?
I don't know.
How many P's?
P, P,
P or PP? I said PP on video. I'm funny. So you would think like I was a big dog, but then I stand up and I've got short legs.
You are a little vertically challenged.
I'm vertically challenged. Well, and you've got stuff that I want.
Well, I thought maybe you wanted to play with a toy instead.
No, you've got food. Food always trumps toys.
Does it?
Yeah, always.
Come on, not always. Come on.
Yeah, here, look.
So this is a toy.
Yeah, well, it's a chef.
It's a chef.
It's a chef. That's kind of cool, isn't it?
It's going to cook your dinner.
It's going to cook me.
No, your
For dinner?
No.
Oh, that's terrible.
Do you want more?
Oh, well, yes, please.
You're very good about taking them.
Yes. Do I know commands and stuff?
You know sit.
Oh, I'm laying down. I guess I don't know sit because I'm laying down.
Take the treat.
Oh, there you go. That's something I know.
See?
Yep, I'm smart.
Smart dogs.
Yep.
We have smart dogs here.
So, you think you'll find me a home?
I do.
I think so too. I don't think it'll be an issue. Oh, what's in there?
It's empty.
Oh, oh, what's that?
Another dog.
Oh, I guess I can share.